Hi everyone, I am just getting ready. I don't know what my... Oops. Hi everyone, this is PJ and you're watching Everything PJ. Thank you for watching my videos. I am all ready to go out and your video for today is uploading. And you guys seem to like vlogs more than my other videos, so I thought I will vlog today as well. And I'm working on uploading the vlog. And I've already started filming again for tomorrow. So these are my days right now. I'll just put on some liner and do my hair a little bit nicely and I'll be good to go. Did you watch this video yet? This is the one where I graduated. I would have said that like a million times since yesterday. I'm trying to edit my... It's 3 minutes left and I'm trying to edit my thumbnail. The photo is not uploading. For some reason, the photo which I want to put in the thumbnail is not uploading, and I don't want to upload a thumbnail without that photo. This is the kast in my life. The video is not uploading. I want to get done with this thumbnail. This is a new bridge which opened recently. I love bridges. I love to be on a bridge. I don't want to live there, but yeah, I like going on there. And it directly joins you on the underbridge. My city is developing so fast. I'm happy about it. Yesterday only I was complaining that it's so hot and everything, and today since morning it was raining and right now it's so nice and cloudy. The weather is so good, so we decided to come out to this place. Look how beautiful it is. The weather is so good today. It's nice, chilly, and it was raining in the morning, and yesterday only I was complaining that it's so hot and everything. If you haven't watched that vlog, go watch that vlog and come back. So we are here. I have no content to tell you about. I have no content to talk about. Yeah. My friends are laughing at me because I have no content to talk about and yet I'm vlogging. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Otherwise, what am I going to upload tomorrow? Kya karenge ab? I'm just roaming around and I'm so hungry because I'm quite hungry.
Give me my cab back. Aila અહીંયા જ છે અમે તું કેમ? I need my cab.
You're looking like a robber.
પણ મારે સાંભળ મારું બધું પેલું પડ્યું છે ગામ ચાલે એટલે કહે છે. હા
આ બધું નાખી દઉં ને. શું છે? Hello guys, good morning. Today is the next day. It is 6 AM right now So last night I came back and I just slept. I didn't even change or do anything. I just slept off at 8 p.m. and I woke up at around 2:33. And since then I'm just watching some YouTube. I found this new channel. Ate a whole bag of Ultra Pop popcorn in the morning. This is my favorite popcorn and my favorite flavor. It is got a bit chilly, so I'm wearing this jacket. It's around 17 degrees right now. And I will now sit to edit this vlog, and this will be uploaded today itself. So today's vlog is going to be a little short, but tomorrow's vlog will be exciting, so check out for that. Till then, thank you for watching my videos. I'm gonna just go have some coffee and start vlogging for another day, for tomorrow. So bye.